welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we are going to remove this mantelpiece, and I've tried doing it by hand. You can't do it, it takes forever, so I've rented the electric jackhammer again, and this one basically just makes lighter work out of a bigger job. So I'm just going to put on the old safety glasses, turn it on. Pretty amazing, eh? Just a little bit. Just break it up a little bit. Needs a little bit more. Look at that. They're coming out pretty clean. Alright, so here's the carnage. This is the leftover mess. I have all sorts of broken bricks over here, and I've got a great big pile of the other bricks, and I'll show you that. I'll just give you a quick view of the whole thing. Alright, so here's a small pile of the whole bricks. Then we've got all the broken bricks here. It's actually quite a large pile. It's hard to really see how much is there. And then this is where everything was, floor to ceiling, and then a base on the floor there. Now this pipe, turns out it's a vent pipe. Previously it was a wood burning stove, and then the next owners changed it over to natural gas, and apparently that was a vent for the wood burning stove, and somehow that was used around the wood burning stove, and I'm not sure how, because it doesn't have like a shut off or anything, but maybe they had it rigged up, who knows. I don't know anything about that stuff. So then here's some more garbage here. All this I have to get rid of. Then some more the mantle tops here, and I'll show you outside. And behind the pool we put all these bricks here. So a fairly big pile of all those. So anyway, that's it. Easy way to remove this stuff with an electric jackhammer, or demolition hammer as they like to call them. It comes out really clean. Like you can see, the mortar doesn't stick to it at all, and it comes out perfectly spotless most of the time. And then you have like your regular bricks, so you can reuse your bricks if you use this demolition hammer. You can do it by hand with a chisel, but it's far faster. It's a big job. Even with the demo hammer, it's a big job. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you, and thanks for watching.